Hello and welcome back to the empty house tour. In the front door, yes, my handle's a bit messy, I'm gonna report that, don't worry. Is this, which is my understair storage thing, which has a lawnmower, desk chair, iron, some dehumidifier things, which you'll see why in a minute. This is a cheap house, don't get me wrong. So to the right is my bedroom. Inside my bedroom there's some plastic drawers, wardrobe, mirror, which I can't wait to find out where I'm going to put this, desk chair, my mattress, which I have stood up because I'm going to be moving the bed a bit, the bed, the chest of drawers, a shoe rack. In that cupboard is the meter, and then I've got some nice shelves which I'm going to put my grey drawers on, which you'll see tomorrow probably because I'll be moving those straight in. So this is my bedroom. I'm probably going to buy a light shade. You'll see what it looks like after the decoration, which I'm very excited for, but I do love it. I have two windows. This one goes onto the main road and that one into our garden, which is why I've got that one open for now. Then this way, ignore the iron mark on the floor, adds character. We've got two sofas, which do have my stuff on, so this is my stuff that I've got since we moved in. Two sofas, my desk chair, which I'm going to replace with the one that's in my room with. And the curtains. Down here we've got Henry Hoover holding open the door, which goes up the stairs to the boys' rooms, which are up there, which I won't show you because they're their rooms. Down there, that looks into our garden. This looks into the main road, so we're going to put our TV here. Then into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we've got this mini fridge and our back door. Now this fridge, we've got our microwave on top of. So this microwave was actually free because I found it on Facebook Marketplace and I walked an hour and a half with a trolley and one of my flatmates I'm living with currently, but not next year, to pick up this microwave. The toaster came with the house, so did the fridge freezer and these two kettles, and I do have a kettle as well, so we're going to see with that. But we've got enough cupboard space for all three of us because there's only three of us here. So we have two cupboards and a drawer each, which I'm very excited about. These doors don't quite shut. Character. Sink. That's the microwave bag. He was kind enough to let me have the bag, so now I've got a new shopping bag. Our cooker, boiler, washing machine, a little shelf above it. We're not sure what we're going to do with this yet, but I think I might put storage in because I don't think the boys will care what I do, so I'm going to do it. Here's our toilet and our bathroom. So I bought some bleach. Here's our bath, and we have a shower. I'm replacing the shower curtain as it is a bit old and tatty. And then we're going to probably put some organisers in, whether they be suction cup here or like my plastic set of drawers I'm thinking of putting here. We're going to see. So that is the whole house tour, really. That's everything. So I hope you like my empty house tour, and I'm going to be moving in tomorrow. I'm very excited. So tomorrow's Sunday, I got the keys on Friday, and today's Saturday. So I moved in, got my mattress protector things, my duvet cover. I'm very excited. I'm going to try and figure out what I'm going to do with my room now, just play with it a bit to see what I can put where. I also forgot to show the back garden, but this is our back garden. Yes, that fence has fallen down. Yes, this guttering is full, but those are things we're going to sort out later on. I've officially moved everything into my university house except one box, which I forgot. So this is it, and then I've got loads of stuff in the kitchen too. So admire the mess. It will look great afterwards. This was a really short house tour, and if you come back in a few weeks, you're going to see me decorating my house and the full university house tour. So please like, comment and subscribe to see more.